Access professional development and training resources on the MyCoast dashboard with ease using the Professional Development card. Simply scroll and locate the Professional Development card on your dashboard. Within the card, you have access to classified professional development resources. You also have access to employee training. Managers can also access professional development by connecting to CDMA's website. LinkedIn Learning is also a resource available to all employees. Camtasia and Snagit software downloads are also available through the Professional Development card. Lastly, the Cornerstone Professional Development portal is also available.